Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because it was something else when the money was locked up.
You see, it's all about joy when you are the reason why others smile. You are the reason why others are happy.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
There are many people out there, series of people have contacted me, and they've been frustrated as far as this e-commerce business is concerned.
Yeah.
So
guys, thank effort for me.
it's just the grace
Now
of God.
I can sleep.
You can smile like money smart, Jay.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
My name is Sarah. My business name is Cedis Collection. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I was trying to do some small business to help my husband. I haven't heard how profitable importation business is. I decided to join these online importation classes. Lo and behold, I found this lady online. I followed up and I registered for her importation classes. After the training, I tried practicing what she taught me. Little did I know, what she taught me led me into the gutters. I got so worried. It was serious headache for me. I got so frustrated. I don't know whom to call. I got huge sum of money locked up and I don't know what to do. And I don't know how to tell my husband because this was money borrowed from me to do this business. Many times when I contact this lady, who answer my call, return my call, write my messages for over a month, I didn't know what to do. I got so frustrated, confused, don't know what to do. Upon several frustrations, I went into the internet and fortunately I saw Money Smart GH. Decided to contact him. My first day of contacting him, he decided to help me. He asked me a few questions and he asked me if he can help me. And I said yes. So Money Smart GH asked me if I trust him and if he can help me. I say yes. And he asked me to connect to his phone. When he gave me a link, and I did. And he asked me to do some setting on my phone, which I did. Later, he told me, congratulations, I'll get your money back. Now I can get my money back. I got a little relief. I got so overwhelmed because I thought all hope was lost. Little did I know, someone is out there who can help me without asking me a dime or a penny at the end of the day. And I said I want to import. This guy helped me to import my goods.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Yeah, guys, you have heard it all from her, the horse's own mouth. Today is my first time of seeing her. I must be frank with you. So she has said everything, and lo and behold, I have decided to help her prove to her that yes, importation is real, it is legit. These are her first items that she has received and all that. So you see, it's just about trust. So like, what are the items that you have imported?
Blenders and air fryers.
Oh wow. So now, do you believe importation is real?
Real.
Really?
Yes.
How much did I charge you for the importation training?
Nothing.
Have you ever thought of joining my master class?
I'm ever ready.
I see.
Ever ready.
So folks, once again, this morning Smile the GH, as I said earlier, I do importation training, e-commerce, how to vlog and make money, how to turn your passion into real income. So this is a classical example of what we have been preaching for. Many times I've been saying this to my students, that who trains you matters a lot. The one who trains you can either make you happy or smile like money smile. Oh yeah, I just don't want any of you to go cry at the wrong side of your life. So let's just take a look at it and you just see everything for yourself, and we call it, yeah. Just check in the description of this video. Whatever your question is as far as importation business is concerned, look no further. just turn to Money Smile GH. I'm just going to walk you through the nitty-gritty as far as importation business is concerned. So if someone is watching us, what do you think you tell them?
Ladies and gentlemen, contact Money Smart GH and you'll be happy as I am.
Oh, really?
Okay?
So afterwards, what is your husband saying?
It was something extra
And
ordinary.
I believe if your husband should see this thing at home, there tonight, tonight, tonight. Well, Charlie, we have children who are underage, so you should understand tonight.
Guys, thank effort for me.
It's just the grace
Now
of God.
I can sleep.
You can smile like Money Smart GH. Hey, you went like, I remember the first day you called me, you were
I
crying.
nearly died.
Oh,
For how long?
For how long? For how long?
1 month.
And
I
so she
can't
never
sleep.
called you back.
Even I called her, she said I should call the R&B guy. And I said, hey,
To do what?
I said, it was you that I went to do the classes with. So so I called the
So
R&B
if I will
guy.
ask you, would you tell her now that
I will call her and I will explain everything to her.
and you send her pictures?
Yes.
You send her videos?
Yes.
I can imagine. I can imagine that tonight, your husband. Oh yes, tonight.
Oh, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because it was something else when the money was locked up.
Wow.
No help, but
Wow.
thank you.
Well, we get. Oh wow! You see, I'm so happy whenever I see people happy. They are able to do the importation business.
I want to
You got that. You see, it's all about joy when you are the reason why others smile. You are the reason why others are happy.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
There are many people out there. Series of people have contacted me, and they've been frustrated as far as this e-commerce business is concerned.
Yeah.
So who trains you matters a lot. I must be honest with you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I have a master class coming. I have a course on vlogging. I have a course on vlogging. I have a course on e-commerce. I have a course on how you can import from Bangladesh, how you can import from the United States, how you can import from any place of your choice. Just turn your skill, your passion, or your skill into real income. And believe you me, you'll be the next to testify on this very platform. See you in my next episode. Smile like Money Smile.